My name is Teresa Todd. I've invested in hundreds of properties since 2018. Since then, I have built a multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio, and I am here to give you all my secrets.
Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to the Women's Real Estate Investors Network YouTube channel. In this video, I want to share why it's not always the best idea to invest close to where you live. It can seem like a safe bet to invest where you are familiar, but it can sometimes end up hurting you in the long run. And one of the biggest myths about investing in real estate is that you have to invest close to where you live. Now, don't get me wrong, sometimes it works. If you happen to live in a college town and you want to do long-term rentals or room-by-room rentals for students, then that works perfectly. And there are other situations where it works great as well. But if you don't live in a good market for the investments that you want to make, don't be scared to branch out to other cities or even different states. So here are 9 reasons why you might want to consider investing elsewhere. And number 1 is diversification. Investing in a different city helps diversify your investment portfolio geographically, reducing the risk associated with having all of your investments concentrated in a single location. Number 2, market opportunities. Other cities might offer better market conditions such as higher demand, lower property prices, or stronger economic growth, providing greater potential for returns on your investment. Number 3, reduced bias. Sometimes when investing in your own city, you could be influenced by personal attachments or emotions, potentially clouding your judgment. Investing elsewhere could help eliminate such biases. Number 4, knowledge expansion. Investing in a different city allows you to gain insights into other markets, broadening your understanding of real estate dynamics, local regulations, and economic trends, which can be really beneficial in the long run. Number 5, economic stability. Your home city economy might be subject to specific risk or vulnerabilities. By diversifying your investments across different cities and states, you can mitigate the impact of localized economic downturns or industry-specific challenges. Number 6, access to emerging markets. Investing in growing cities or emerging markets can present significant opportunities for capital appreciation, as these areas experience rapid development and urbanization. Number 7 are the tax advantages. Some cities and or regions might offer tax incentives or more favorable investment policies, enabling you to optimize your returns and maximize your after-tax profits. Number 8 is the rental demand. Investing in cities with a strong rental market and high demand for housing can provide a steady income stream through your rental yields, which may be more favorable than in your own city. And number 9 is hedging against the local risk. If your city relies heavily on a particular industry, such as manufacturing or tourism, investing elsewhere can help reduce your exposure to industry-specific risk. So, don't lock yourself into only investing in your own backyard. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know what you want to see in the next video. And if you are hungry to learn about how you can create financial freedom, then join me at She Can 23. It is the nation's largest event for women that are either already investing in real estate or want to learn more about how they can begin investing in real estate. Join thousands of women just like you and I as we shatter the glass ceiling together and make history as women unlocking financial security by investing in real estate. Get more education, motivation, inspiration, and connection at She Can 23. Do not let this opportunity pass you by. Take action now and secure your tickets at shecan23.com/YouTube. And as always, I'm Teresa Todd, encouraging you to dream big and be brave.